The Michelin Guide's 2025 Bib Gourmand selection for Seoul and Busan is out. And trust us, these restaurants are serving up some seriously delicious experiences. Our first stop is Myeon Seoul, a haven for noodle enthusiasts. Here, handcrafted noodles are the star. Whether it's the subtle nuttiness of perilla oil noodles or the invigorating heat of spicy noodles, there's something to satisfy every palate. Next up, Alt A. Step into the world of plant-based goodness. Their vegan jampong is an umami explosion, and you won't believe how crispy and chewy their 탕수육 is, all without a hint of meat. For those seeking comfort food with a twist, Soryong offers dishes that warm the soul. Their signature Soryong noodles are a harmonious blend of textures and flavors, while the spicy bibimbap noodles provide a depth of flavor. Complement your meal with their handmade dumplings and tender pork jaeuk. At Sokyo Namyeonbang, naengmyeon reaches new heights. Their gomtang naengmyeon, made with premium Jeju chicken, and Sokyo naengmyeon, featuring a rich broth crafted from both chicken and hanwoo beef, are simply unforgettable. Lastly, we arrive at Myeongdong Minari, where tradition meets freshness. Their gomtang, a clear and rich beef bone soup, is elevated by a generous topping of aromatic minari. This combination offers a unique twist on a classic dish, making it a must-try for those seeking authentic Korean comfort food. So what are you waiting for? Head on out and go experience these places for yourself. Let us know in the comments below which ones you like best.